Welcome back to PICE Gurukul Career Cosmos. This podcast is for the career aspirants who seek compact information on career opportunities. Today's special is BBMM, Bachelor's in Business Management and Marketing. It is one of the popular courses pursued by students after class 12. This is the gateway to a plethora of job opportunities in numerous sectors such as business management and marketing. This course offers the knowledge and training in business management and marketing. Various skills will be trained to prepare for managerial roles. The BBMM program takes students into the technological and psychological aspects of business and marketing. The Bachelor's in Business Management and Marketing program includes intensive applied business training with an emphasis on marketing management as well as new and emerging media and marketing analytics. It is a 3 years trimester professional undergraduate degree program imparted in full-time mode. It is open to the students from all 3 streams: science, commerce and even arts. The academic requirement is minimum 50% score. The candidate must meet the minimum cutoff criteria for admission to the college applied. The cutoff marks is different in each college and university. BBMM program, it helps to develop highly skilled professionals open to innovation, creativity and strategic thinking. Those who are able to set up and create their own business, manage to adapt to changing market conditions as well as to work in team in any organization, who know the importance of communication and are able to use the latest information and communication technologies. It offers the skills required to create, shape, deliver and measure the successful communication and marketing in a wide range of formats and platforms. The students will be equipped to handle marketing planning, analysis, strategy, communication, selling and distribution, channel marketing, digital marketing, neuromarketing, franchisee modeling, technology, entrepreneurship and many more things. Skill sets required for pursuing this course. The student should have some particular specific skills to pursue this course, such as team player, professional communication skills, writing skills, etiquettes, problem solving skills, leadership, critical and analytical thinking, multitasking, adaptability, technology skills and many more. In first year of this course, the student will learn about the basic principles of business management and will be introduced to the concepts of marketing. In the second year, the focus will be on understanding the business environment, setting up new businesses, understand and analyze the existing companies and their marketing challenges, digital marketing world. In the third year, the student will learn the fundamentals of analytics and marketing analytics. The focus will be to ensure that the student understands the customer behavior, consumer data management and are able to collect right information from the market through marketing research and then communicate with the right target market. All 3 years will include case studies, in-company projects, simulation games, industry internship and interaction. The student will study fundamentals and also get an opportunity to see the best business practices nationally and internationally. I hope this information is helpful for you. Wish you all the best. Thanks for listening to the podcast by PICE Gurukul Career Cosmos. Subscribe the channel, click on the notification icon to get the regular updates on career courses. Like, comment and share this. That's all for this episode. See you next time. Be good, do good. Good day, take care, and thank you.